Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, we'll take you to Google developers page where you can take free machine learning course. Okay, so the link will be shared in the description where you can access it. So on their page, you see machine learning crash course with TensorFlow APIs. So the duration for this course is 15 hours. And you take 25 lessons and they'll give you 30 plus exercises. Okay, so these are some questions answered in this course. So you can go through some of the questions. Okay, so let's click on the start crash course. Okay, so when you click on it, it will take you to the page where you'll be learning or you'll be taking the course. So you have the overview, that is the introduction to machine learning, which is 3 minutes. Okay, so you can play the video. Okay, so these are the list of the lessons, 25 lessons. Okay, so we have the conclusion, that is the next step. Okay, so let's take the second one. We have the framing, we have the video lecture, and we have the key machine learning terminology. Okay, so you can also watch, and we have the reducing the loss. Okay, so these are the lessons. We have the neural networks. Okay, so let's click on the structure and see how it looks like. Okay, so I think there's classification. Okay, so if you recall following, okay, yeah, so classification, yeah, and this is non-linear classification problem. Okay, okay, we have the machine learning engineering, and we have the machine learning system in the real world, where you can also watch the cancer prediction literature and also the guidelines. Okay, so this is the hidden layer. If you are familiar with Bayesian theory, you see this one, the hidden layers. Okay, so let's go to the conclusion. That is the next and see what is there. Okay, so continue your machine learning education. Okay, so let me click. Okay, so I've copied it. Let me paste it here and see what is there. Okay, so when I copied it, this is what I'm seeing. I think I'm seeing the same thing. Okay, so continue your machine learning education. You are ready to take the next machine learning course. Okay, so let's click on it. Okay, so I think when you get to the conclusion, the next step, continue your machine learning education, you click on the data preparation and feature engineering in machine learning. When you click on it, now it will open the link where you see the structure. Okay, so the overview, we have the introduction and process, we have the lesson here, and we have the summary, that is the conclusion. I'll also be taking the courses 15 hours, which I think it's worth the time I'll use. I recommend my viewers to also take this course, this crash course, if you are interested in machine learning, data science, or artificial intelligence. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. See you in the next video. Peace.